slowly bring your arms in front of you to a wonderful stretch of your spine. Sit down in child's pose. Feel the stretch through the arms. Really plant your hands down. Feel the stretch in the low spine and hold. Take a deep breath here. Inhale and exhale. Wonderful. Now slide your hands a little further. And now reach your butt up. And now slowly ease your body into modified down dog. Hold it up. Feel the strength in your arms. And now slowly lift all the way up to tabletop. Keeping your back straight, spinal neutral. And now slowly bring one arm up and the opposite leg. And bring it in to work the spine. And reach it back out and hold. One more, bring it in, touch your elbow to the knee, and reach it back out and hold. And let's switch. Hold the balance pose, reciprocal reach for the spine. Bring it in, press it back out. Hold, bring it in, feel the abdominals working, and reach it back out, and hold. And now slowly keep your leg up. Walk your hands slightly forward, and now slowly do a Chaturanga with bent elbows, and push away. Wonderful. Let's try that again. Lean forward, elbows come in close to your body, and push away. Wonderful. Switch legs. Bring the other leg up, hold it up there, abs are tight, lift your leg, and now slowly Chaturanga, using your strength in your arms, and push away. Try it one more time. Go down, the chest is up. And push away. And now slowly stretch your hips to one side, and now to the other side. Oh, it's a wonderful stretch. And now back to tabletop, and do a full circle for your hips, your thighs, your waistline, your back. Great. And switch circle all the way around. Really loosen it up. Nice, simple, easy, flexible. And hold the stretch. Now let's curl our toes under and get ready for down dog. Slowly lift your hips, keeping your knees bent, and feel the length through the spine, the length through your hands, keeping the knees slightly bent on our first one, and come back down. Let's try that one more time. Lift up through the buttocks, lift your tushy up, and now stretch back. Stretch all the way. Are you ready to get your legs straighter now? Oh, it feels so good. Feel the length through the spine, and now slowly bring one leg through, and now slowly the other, and stand up nice and tall, lengthen through the back, and a mountain pose, and hold to prayer position. Abs are tight. And let's take it all the way up, and inhale up, and exhale, dive forward, and just feel the length of your spine, and drop your head this time. Shake your head out now. Oh, relax the neck muscles. And now slowly lift up to flat back. Hold it up there, abs are tight, and reach back down. And slowly bring one leg behind you, bring the other leg around, hold it right here, and bend your knees, take it down to up dog, hold. And slowly curl your toes under, push yourself all the way up to down dog. And hold the pose.